Let's talk about some of the things you'll need in order to do sound editing in Pro Tools. First, you'll need a good computer to put everything on. I prefer a Macintosh platform, though the Pro Tools works perfectly well on PC-based. Today we have a Mac Power ProBook, and what you need to have is the program, at least the LE version, which is the less expensive version of DigiDesign. And you need when you buy the Pro Tools software, you get the hardware that comes with it. You have a couple choices. This is the MBox 2. It's one of the most versatile of all the options. It gives you the ability to record, listen, sound edit with Pro Tools. In addition to that, if you're going to be working with audio from Avid or Final Cut, you need a way to get the audio into your Pro Tools session. The native program doesn't have everything you need to quite get going. What you need to have is, at a minimum, you need to have something called a Digi Translator. And the Digi Translator actually gets authorized by an iLock. The iLock is something you'll need to authorize the software. In the best case scenario, if you invest a little more money, you can have timecode enabled in your session as well. Then in that case, you'll need DV Toolkit 2. This is actually something that authorizes everything I need. I've disconnected at this point, so I'm going through on the screen and it's showing you all the things that come along with it. There's Vocal Align, there's the Digi Translator. That's the minimum program that you'll need in order to translate everything. So that's at a minimum what you'll need to get going, in addition to the software.